Multiple intelligences is a psychological learning theory that states that people's brains operate in different ways. There are a couple ways that people can take initiative in retaining their knowledge, and that's by being hands-on, by asking questions, by taking an active role in the learning process, by analyzing information, making prediction, and testing those predictions. So multiple intelligence is a theory developed by Howard Gardner. He was a psychiatrist who believed that individuals have intellectual strengths that are different. This basically means that children and people do not all learn the same. And it follows that people shouldn't be assessed the same. That like written exams that just sort of force people to regurgitate information that was memorized isn't doesn't translate to knowledge, and it doesn't mean that it's active learning, that people are going to necessarily remember that and be able to apply that information. So there's different ways that multiple intelligences can be incorporated into the classroom. That's by presenting information in ways that are interesting to people, to different learners. Um, Everything that can be learned can be taught in multiple ways, so providing options for instruction and varying ways of instruction. It's done also by being explicit with learners about expectations and what, just so they know what the teacher wants from them, and just being direct. Um, Offering feedback is also another point that's important for learners, just so they can know how they're doing. Critiquing students less, and teaching students to internalize feedback and taking part in self-assessments. So there are 8 different types of intelligences. Some people are linguistic, and those people really enjoy words, reading, and writing. There's a logical mathematical intelligence, which are usually like highly rational people. They comprehend abstract visual information and understand cause and effect relationships really easily. There's also spatial awareness intelligence, and those are people who remember images really well and have a good sense of space and measurements. There's a musical intelligence. These people are skilled at composing music, singing, or performing, and they're really good at imitating voices and sounds. There's a bodily kinesthetic intelligence. These people enjoy moving and touching, and they can also be really good athletes. There's an interpersonal intelligence, and these people thrive off social interaction. They're really good collaborators. They're good empathizers. They are just really good at understanding people. There's intrapersonal, which is the opposite. These people are like very self-aware. They understand their own feelings, and they're introverted. They can be kind of shy. And lastly, there's a naturalist intelligence, and these people prefer to be outside, and they have an affinity for growing things, growing plants, fruits, vegetables, and they like animals and have an affinity for training them. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.